In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Xero invoice template. Navigating the complexity of accounting software can be daunting, but editing an invoice template in Xero is straightforward if you follow these steps. Whether you wish to refresh the look of your invoices, update payment terms, or simply need to adjust the information displayed, this guide is designed to walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Xero account. Once you're in, the next place you want to head to is the Settings menu. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your accounting tasks. Fortunately, accessing the settings is a breeze. From your dashboard, you'll find the Settings option easily within reach. Once you click on Settings, a new array of choices will appear before you. Your area of interest here is the Invoice Settings option. Clicking on this will take you into the heart of where all invoice template customization occurs. Here, you're positioned right at the core of your invoicing process. Within the invoice settings, you'll encounter a variety of options tailored to meet your invoicing needs, ranging from themes and email settings to payment services and more. But let's zero in on what you need to do. Focus on the Options button located next to the invoice template you wish to edit. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu that offers you the chance to edit your selected template. Choose the Edit option, and just like that, you've arrived at the editing interface where creativity meets practicality. Xero provides a range of editing features within this space. Whether you're aiming to adjust the layout, play around with text formats, or update payment details, the editor offers a blend of flexibility and structure. This enables you to ensure that your invoices not only reflect the professionalism of your business, but also meet all necessary information criteria. Take a few moments to explore the customization options available to you. While you're editing, keep in mind that your ultimate goal is to create an invoice that looks appealing and, more importantly, communicates clearly with your clients. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's important not to leave your work unsaved. Remember, your efforts aren't complete until you hit that Save button. This act of saving solidifies your edits, ensuring they're safe, secure, and ready for future use. Click on Save, and your newly polished invoice template will be prepared to represent your business faithfully. And there you have it, a clear-cut process for editing an invoice template in Xero. Customizing your invoices goes beyond appearance. It's about ensuring clarity, effective communication, and a touch of professionalism. With your newly edited template, your invoices will serve not just as requests for payment, but as representations of your business's identity and attention to detail. Remember, a smooth experience with Xero or any software starts with taking the time to get acquainted with its features. Don't hesitate to venture beyond invoice templates. Xero offers a vast array of functionalities that can enhance your accounting processes, including automation of recurring invoices and integrations with third-party apps for streamlined workflows. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found the instructions helpful and feel more confident about customizing your Xero invoice templates. Whether you're adjusting them for aesthetic purposes or practical considerations, remember that your invoices are a crucial communication tool with your clients. Making them clear, informative, and professional can significantly influence how your business is perceived. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy invoicing!